Ready? We are going to check the main living area here. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Large kitchen there, and then you have this separate bar area with bar stools there, and those huge windows there. Oh, look at the height. This is most likely over 20 feet high. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tour a beautiful pool home here in Lake Las Vegas with nice views of the strip and also mountain views. And I'm so excited, so let's tour this together. All right guys, this is the home. This is such a beautiful home. Look at this. And your surrounding areas are also in the multi-million-dollar homes. So let's check this out. I'm so excited, guys. Look at this. You have 2-car garage there and then 1-car garage here. So a total of 3-car garage. And then you have this nice gate here. All right, guys, are you excited? Let's do this. Let's check this beautiful home together. Oh, wow, look at that. Right upon entering the home, you can literally see the swimming pool and some mountain views that I'm seeing from this side. Before we go to the main area, let's check out what's happening on this area here. You have a half bathroom, right? Very convenient right away when your guest needed to do their phenomenal thing in the toilet. All right, guys, are you ready? We are going to check the main living area here. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Large kitchen there. And then you have this separate bar area with bar stools there. And those huge windows there. Oh, look at the height. This is most likely over 20 feet high. And you have this separate dining area too. All right, guys, let's go to that corner so that you can see how it looks like from this side of the home. Look at the openness of this, guys. And then you have that railing there that makes it even open from above. All right, let's check out the bar area. Look at this bar area, guys. So upon entering the house, you can entertain your guests, your business partners, give them some tequila, wine, or mojito, which is my favorite, guys. Hello. Look at this. You have your separate cabinetry to store all of your glass wines. All right, let's check out this kitchen. Look at this massive kitchen, guys. Double oven. There's something there. This might be the opening of the garage. Let's check it out. Yes, it is. Look at this, guys. You can store your bikes there. There's so much generous space on this one. And the ceiling height of this one is also pretty high. So I like this configuration, guys. When your garage is immediately, after entering the garage, you can immediately access your kitchen and put your grocery items in your kitchen area and also in your pantry. As you can see, this is a massive pantry here, guys. It's huge. You can store a lot of food there, baby food, dog food. And this counter here is a lot of space. You have that huge kitchen island there. And then I like this one, guys. It has its vent, right? So the microwave is not on top of the stoves, which is really nice. So that you have your separate vent there. And this huge windows overlooking your pool, you'll be motivated to wash your dishes every day while looking at your pool. Right. Look at this massive kitchen. You can have a party of 100 here. No doubt, everyone will have their own spaces here. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the swimming pool? Look at this. Wow, look at this swimming pool, guys. Let me span quickly from this side. So you have your barbecue area there. You have your sitting situation here, right? Watching the views of the mountains. And look at this, guys. Who wouldn't want to spend the day and night here lounging in your swimming pool area? You have the view there of the mountains. And I like that waterfall there. I don't know if you can hear it from the video, but it's so refreshing. And this is your facade at the back of the house. Look at this mature greeneries here, guys. These are already here, so you don't have to spend the time planting trees. These are already here. Wow, you really need this kind of pool, guys, in Vegas because it's over 100 right now. So who wouldn't want to have a swimming pool that you can splash to make your life refreshing every day, right? Let's see what's happening on this side. So you have your separate side entrance there. All right, let's go back to the house and check out the second floor because I'm excited to see what's happening on the balcony there. I've seen something on the balcony. Really nice sliding door here. This makes a lot of difference when you have this kind of glass doors because it's almost like you're also living outside the house when you have that opening, especially when you're looking at your pool there. All right, let's go to the second floor. Before that, let's check out what's happening here. This is a coat closet, which you can store your boxes as well. Let's go up. Ooh, nice railing. I like the railing of this stairs. Look at this, guys. We are on the second floor, and right on the right side of your second floor is this seating arrangement here. Right? Let's check out this view from your loft area on the second floor. This is how high it is, guys. You can see there. You can talk to your guest while you're up here. Very open. And then let's go to the left side, see what's happening here. So you have your full bathroom here with double sink. Hello. And then we go in this area. This is a nice door here, guys. Ooh, look at the window design there. Wow, this is a first secondary bedroom, I believe. And look at the mountain views. Look at this, guys. If you have a kid, they'll be motivated to sleep here because of this mountain views here. You are surrounded by mountains. And the windows are pretty huge too. It brings a lot of natural light from outside. Let's go to the other parts. Let's go to the left side of this. All right, we're seeing on this side your massive laundry area. So I appreciate, guys, if your laundry area is on the second floor where the bedrooms area are located, so that you don't have to go down. Because some of the houses I've seen, they have the laundry area on the first floor. Let's open what's up on this one. You have massive storage space for your linen. All right, let's check out this room here. Oh, nice. Again, they use this almost shape. There's a nice shape of the windows here, right? You usually see some rectangular circle windows, but these ones have such an architectural design. And this bedroom looks like it has its own bathroom. Hello. Right, this is nice because this bedroom is an ensuite. It has an ensuite bathroom. And these are massive closet too. For some reason, this second floor probably is also more than 11 feet. All right, guys, are you ready to see what's happening on that side of the second floor? Before that, you have a view from this side of the second floor of the main living area. Look at this height, guys. All right, let's do this. Let's check out what's happening on this area. Ooh, look at the windows. This is what I'm seeing, guys. It's massive. These are natural light coming inside. You don't need a light here during the day. And let's check out the view from your master. Look at this. You have the strip view. I'm gonna span it quickly, guys. Look at the strip view, guys. This during the night is lighted up and you can enjoy the July 4th coming already. This will have a lot of fireworks. It appears far from the video, but when you're here in person, you can literally see the buildings there. Right? You can see the buildings there during the day, and this is literally lighted up during the night. So I love this view here. Then you have your view of the swimming pool as well. Let me span from this side, guys. This is a massive owner's bedroom. And I like the ceiling fan there. And you have a separate office area here, guys, so that if you have to have an immediate Zoom meeting, you can definitely do it here. And who will not be motivated to work hard when you're looking at your window, you're seeing the strip or the mountain views there. And then you also have this separate balcony. Wow, you have a separate balcony? This is a huge balcony too. Look at your view from your balcony. Right? View of the windows, meaning the mountains there. And you have the view of the strip. Wow. Okay. Amazing. This is your balcony. Let's go back inside and check out what's happening on the master bathroom. All right, look at your master bathroom. You have your makeup area here, which your wife will be glad if you are a guy. And if you are a lady right now, I'm pretty sure you'll like that vanity area there for your makeup. Hello guys. And you have two sinks separate from each other. You have this bathtub here. You can take a look at the mountains where you're doing your bathtub situation there. Lots of upgrades on this one. And this is pretty new, guys, so a lot of nice things when you're buying new built homes. I love the greens of this shower. All right, let's check out the toilet area here, right? You can close that. And then this is your closet. Closet area. All right, let's go back to the main area. Look at your massive windows there, guys. Really nice. So I'm going down quickly here so that you have an experience of how it is going down from the second floor. Again, guys, this is your main living area. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Really appreciate it. Again, I would like to hear your feedback, guys, related to this property. What do you think of this property? Please comment down below. And also, if you know anyone that might be interested on this kind of property, please share this video and would really appreciate that. Until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and check out the channel page if you have missed some of my videos. Until next time, have a great day. See you tomorrow for another video. Bye.